In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly to Facebook easily in just 5 minutes. If you're ready to streamline your scheduling process while enhancing your Facebook engagements, this guide is just for you. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Calendly's website. Just type in the URL in your browser, or click on the link provided if you're watching this with text instructions. Calendly is a fantastic tool for setting up appointments and meetings. And today, we're going to unlock its full potential by integrating it with Facebook. Once you're at the Calendly homepage, you'll see the option to log in. Go ahead and click the Login button. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. If you're not already signed into your account, this step is crucial. Logging in not only grants you access to your scheduling tools, but also sets the stage for integrating with Facebook. Once logged in, head over to the Calendly home dashboard. This is your central hub where you can view and manage your scheduling preferences. Now, direct your attention to the navigation menu and find the Integrations and Apps section. Clicking this will open up a world of options for enhancing your Calendly experience. Integrations are incredibly powerful because they allow different applications to communicate with each other seamlessly, helping you automate tasks and connect with your audience more effectively. In this menu, you'll have the chance to browse through numerous applications that Calendly can integrate with. Next, it's time to focus on Facebook. In the search bar provided, type in Facebook and hit enter. The system will present you with all relevant options related to Facebook integrations. Here is where you'll find the integration we need for this setup. The Metapixel. The Metapixel is a tool that allows you to measure the effectiveness of your advertising by understanding the actions people take on your website. It's especially useful for tracking conversions and building targeted audiences for future ads. Locate the Metapixel among the results and click on it. After clicking the Metapixel option, you'll proceed to connect it with your Calendly account. This integration will empower you to track interactions between your Calendly page and visitors coming from Facebook, providing you valuable insights into their behavior. This connection can enhance how you manage your appointments and advertisements, ultimately enriching your business strategy with data-driven decisions. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Calendly to Facebook using the Metapixel. By following these steps, you now have a robust integration in place to ensure your scheduling and marketing efforts are more aligned and effective. Thank you for joining me today, and happy scheduling!